Hey everyone, this is a flipped classroom for Tuesday, October 9th, and you are going to make some arrays today. So just a reminder that an array is an arrangement of objects, pictures, or numbers in columns and rows, and this is for us to visualize and demonstrate multiplication. So you see right here, I have a grid that this represents an array, and so what I want you to remember is that the number going down tells you what you're multiplying, and then this tells you how many times. So that would be 4 times 4. So I have 4 groups, 4 rows, as you can see right here, and then I have 4 in each row. So if I count them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so for homework, what I want you to do is I want you to come up and create 3 different arrays and multiplication facts. You will turn this in tomorrow. So again, you're coming up with 3 different multiplication problems and arrays to match them. So have fun, and thanks for watching.